Hi everybody, Miss Katie here, and I am going to talk to you a little bit about gross motor skills. So our gross motor skills are big muscle movements, anything that moves our whole body, right? So walking, running, jumping, skipping. They're also important for everyday functions, like getting in and out of bed, getting in and out of the car, or even getting dressed by ourselves. So a little bit of movement every day can have a big impact on our small kids. My favorite way to incorporate gross motor skills with young kids is through movement activities or action songs. So today I'm going to share one of my favorites with you, and you can try it at home. So this one's called Go Bananas. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our hands up over our head and become a banana. And then we're going to practice peeling our banana, peeling down. Then we're going to chop our banana. We're going to slice it. Mash it up, eat it, and then at the very end, we're gonna get all of our wiggles out by going bananas. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. So first we're gonna start by saying, bananas unite. Peel, bananas, peel, peel, bananas, peel, bananas, peel, peel, bananas. Then we chop bananas, chop, chop, bananas, chop, bananas, chop, chop, bananas, then we slice bananas, slice, slice bananas, slice bananas, slice, slice bananas, then we mash bananas, mash, mash bananas, mash bananas, mash, mash bananas, then we eat bananas, eat, eat bananas, eat bananas, eat, eat bananas, then we go bananas, go, go bananas, go bananas, go, go bananas. Very good. All right, guys, so that was Go Bananas. Have fun with it. Try it out. Let us know what you think. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.